For the longest time, I thought being careful was just my personality. Like, that's just who I am. The one who doesn't rush, the one who overthinks things thoroughly, the one who avoids the mess. It sounded responsible, it sounded safe. But if I'm being honest, it wasn't personality, it was posture, a way of holding myself very still so nothing could fall apart. Hi, I'm Mabinza, and this is the final episode of Becoming the Adult I Never Had. Growing up like that doesn't end when the hard part ends, it follows you into your days, your decisions, your relationships. My life now looks steady. I'm in school, I work part time. From the outside, it makes sense, but the way I go through it, it's still the old scripts playing in the background. And actually, it has been almost 3 to 2 weeks since I've last made a video. Not because I didn't have ideas. I had plenty, so many to be honest. I couldn't remember how many I have noted down. But because I felt drained emotionally, physically, and mentally, like my body was present, but my mind couldn't catch up yet. Like I couldn't move from the place where I am in my head to the place where I want to be, to create something different, something exceptional, something unique, not just for me, but for the people around me. And then I realized this is part of it too. Because when you grow up learning to hold everything together, rest feels unnatural, pausing feels like failing, silence feels like falling behind. So instead of listening, I pause, and the pausing is what emptied me. At school, it showed up as hesitation. I have idea that excites me. Then I start looking for the exit. What if I fail? What if they see me trying and it's not enough? So I choose what's safer and call it practical. At work, I stay quiet. I do my job well, but I don't take up space because good feels safer than great. Reliable feels invisible, and invisible once meant protected. And with people, especially the ones that get closer, I feel it before I could think of it. The pause before I answer honestly. The instinct to hold back something soft, something special, something unique. Not because I don't care. I care deeply, but a part of me is always prepared for distance, for the moment where I have to stand alone once again. Not because I don't want connection, but because I learned earlier that needing someone meant risking being left. Survival taught me how to get through storms, but also taught me to expect them. To live in a permanent state of slightly overcast weather. To mistake calm for danger, safety became the highest value, higher than joy, higher than discovery, higher than the truth itself. And here is what I'm learning now, slowly in my bones. Survival got me here, but this is not where I want to be. It is not my destination. Healing isn't a grand, fearless loop. It's small moment of choosing differently, resting without guilt, leaning in when I want to pull away, speaking even when my voice shakes. The goal isn't to be untouchable. The goal is to be here fully, in the attempt, in the connection, in the middle of it all. And if your life look fine on the outside but feel exhausted in the inside, you are not broken. You adopted. You built an armor when you needed it the most. And now, you get to decide what you want to live for. I hope to see you in my next video. Share and subscribe.